Hi viewers, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys, where we make all survey practices to be easier and educative. In this video, I want to quickly show everyone on how to create a coordinate reference system based on their geographic location. Okay, however, from our last video on the introduction to Tersus Genesis, I displayed on how to create a project. So please, if you are just joining us for the first time, do check under this video description to see the video tutorial on that will actually guide you and give you some basic information that you would need. Thank you. So to create your coordinates reference system, which is the CRS, you will come to the icon CRS and click on it. So under the CRS, because of this video, I'll be creating the two major coordinate systems. I'll be creating for Mina UTM zone 31 and I'll be creating for Nigerian national. So to create for my Mina UTM zone 31, all I have to do is to come to new, click on it. So the coordinate system, I am going to name it. So this is Mina UTM zone 31. After naming the coordinate system I want to create, which is the Mina UTM zone 31, alright, I will click on ellipsoid. So under the ellipsoid, the Mina datum uses the Clark 1880 ellipsoid. So you should have the idea of the ellipsoid your geographic region is using. So there are many options there based on your location. So in the course of this video, I'll be choosing the Clark 1880 ellipsoid. Then when I click on it, I'll click on select. So it will appear here. After it appears, you swipe to projection. So under the projection, you will come to projection and click on that. So these are the different grid systems for our projections. Like I said earlier, I am using the UTM zone 32. So I'll click on universal transverse Mercator. So it will appear under my projection. So there will be an advantage for me to choose the zone. So like I said, it is zone 31. Then the hemisphere is north. Alright. Then the average latitude, leave it 0. Projection height, leave it 0. Then you swipe to datum trans. So this is the place where you will be putting your transformation parameters. So you click on the transformation, then you are going to see an option for the two major transformation parameters, the Bossa parameters and the Molodetsky Pedakas parameters. So these are two transformation systems. Then you click on Bossa parameters. So on your Bossa parameters, the general transformation parameters for Mina UTM, alright, is 92. For the Y, it's 93. Then DZ is -122. Then the RX, RY, and RZ, they are zeros, which are the rotational elements. Then the scale factor for UTM is 1, based on my geographic location. Alright, if you have your own parameters, special parameters for your location, you are to input the values respectively at this interface. So the next thing to do is to come to plane adjustment. Under your plane adjustment, you do not need to do anything. Then you come to height fitting. So under your height fitting, you click on geoid. So under geoid, you click on the EGM 085. So this is the file that helps convert the ellipsoidal height to the geoidal height. Then you click on select. And this is how to do your configuration in creating your coordinate reference system for the Mina UTM zone 31. Then you click on OK. Then as you can see, it has appeared here. Okay, so the next coordinate reference system I want to quickly create is for the Nigerian national. For those who are in the eastern part of Nigeria, this is actually for you. So to do that, you click on new. Under the coordinate reference system, you are going to name it Nigerian national, zone 32. Then the ellipsoid for the Nigerian national is Clark 1880. The projection here, instead of the universal transverse Mercator, you are to use the Gauss-Kruger, the transverse Mercator Gauss-Kruger. You click on that. So the origin latitude is 4, that is 04. All right. The central meridian is 8.5, so you put 008 then 0.5. all right. While the first northings is 0, the first east thing is 670,554.0. all right, that's first northings. Then the scale peculiar to my geographic location is 0.99975. okay. Then the average latitude, projection height, they are on default. So that is that for the projection. Then you swipe to datum trans. So under the datum trans, you are going to choose bossa parameters. Then here you are expected to input the values with respect to your location. So the datum transformation parameters differs based on professional specifications. However, I am going to use the professional specification based on my geographic location. So guys, this is the datum transformation parameters based on my geographic location professional specification. So the next thing to do is to swipe to plane adjustment. So on your plane adjustment, you do not need to do anything. Then you swipe to height fitting. Then under your height fitting, you click on the geoid, click on the EGM file, then you click on select. When you are done with this setup, you click on OK. So as you can see, it will appear under your CRS, which is the coordinate reference system. So guys, that is just how to create coordinate reference system on the Tersus GNSS mobile app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as share to as many as possible who are the Tersus users. Thank you. See you next time.